Myself, Mohammad Ashik. We done the project about performance and emission analysis of used crude oil and its blends with diesel and additives in CA engine. Project done by automobile engineers of Wiltec University, Ahmad Ghazali, KM, Mohammad Ashik TS, Mohammad Mahadir or Mohammad Parvez A. Our internal guide is Mr. Rajesh Kumar. Abstract. A demand for compression ignition engines is continuously growing due to their good fuel efficiency, but they causes serves concern with regard to exhaust emission. The concerns has resulted in further examination of ways which the composition of fuel used by CA engines could be changed to reduce emissions. The performance of diesel with two kinds of oxygenates, diethyl ether, dimethyl sulfoxide, are investigated. The thermal efficiency of the oxygenates diesel and used crude oil fuel blend in higher than the of diesel fuel. The improvements in the thermal efficiency depend on the oxygen content in the fuel. Selection criteria of used crude oil. It must be cheap and should be available at everywhere. It must burn clean and produce less emission. It must have high calorific value. It should be easy to produce. It should not need any modification in existing CA engines. It should increase the engine life. It should require less engine and maintenance. It should easy to handling and store. Trans esterification. Trans esterification is the process of using an alcohol in the presence of catalyst such as sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. It chemically breaks the molecule of the raw oil in the methyl or ethyl ester. This method also reduces the molecular weight of oil 1/3 of its original value. Oxygenated fuel is an additive. We are going to blend this additive with fuel to increase the performance and to reduce the emissions like smoke and particulate matter. These are the two types of oxygenative additives we added with fuel. One is diethyl ether, another one is dimethyl sulfoxide. This is the engine specification. We done our project in this engine only. The engine type is single cylinder 4-stroke water cooled CA engine. Its speed is 1600 rpm. Its output is 7.3 kilowatt. Its SFC is 245 gram. Its fuel is diesel. Its compression ratio is 18.5:1. Brake horsepower is 10. These are the properties of used crude oil. The properties of specific value of diesel is 0.83. Specific value of used crude oil is 0.96. Its flash point of diesel is 47 and flash point of used crude oil 45. Sulfur content in the diesel is 10 and the sulfur content in the used crude oil is 9. The serial number in the diesel is 49 and the serial number in used crude oil is 42. Molecular weight of diesel is 22-233. Molecular weight of used crude oil is 153. This is the formula we used for calculation. One is brake power. Brake power is equal to 2 into pi into n by t by 60,000 kilowatt, where n is speed in rpm, t is torque. Another formula we used is total fuel consumption, TFC. TFC is equal to h by t into 10 power minus 3 into 3600 into rho kg by r, where x is the volume which fuel consumption time is noted, rho is the density of fuel. Specific fuel consumption is another formula we used for calculation. SFC is equal to TFC by brake power. That TFC is total fuel consumption, brake power is brake power. Brake thermal efficiency is equal to brake power into 3600 by CFC into CV into 100%. BP is brake power, TFC is total fuel consumption. Performance of emission blend, biodiesel blend. Adding 5-10-15% of biodiesel blend with diesel, we getting performance value of brake power and specific fuel consumption, and also we getting a performance of brake power and brake thermal efficiency. Diesel with biodiesel. This is the graph of diesel with biodiesel, brake power versus specific fuel consumption. In this graph, used crude oil 15% are consumed fuel, then compared to used crude oil 5%, 10% and base diesel. Due to the oxygen content more in used crude oil 15%. This is the graph of diesel with biodiesel, brake power versus brake thermal efficiency. In this graph, used crude oil 15% has more brake power than the compared to 5%, 10% and base diesel. This is due to the oxygen content is more in used crude oil 15%. diesel, biodiesel and additive blend. Adding 5, 10, 15% of biodiesel, diethyl ether, dimethyl sulfoxide with diesel. We getting performance value of brake power and specific fuel consumption. And also we getting a performance of brake power and brake thermal efficiency. This is the graph of performance of used crude oil, brake power versus specific fuel consumption. In this graph, used crude oil, diethyl ether, dimethyl sulfoxide mixture 15% as consumed fuel, then compared to used crude oil another 5%, 10% and 15%. This is due to oxygen content more in used crude oil 15%. This is the graph of performance of used crude oil, brake power versus brake thermal efficiency. In this graph, used crude oil 15% has more brake power than compared to another 5%, 10% and base diesel. This is due to oxygen content is more in 15%. Performance result. At this result, we getting a slightly higher performance by adding of used crude oil and additives of diethyl ether, dimethyl sulfoxide with diesel. We getting a more brake thermal efficiency and low specific fuel consumption. Emission biodiesel. Adding 5, 10, 15% of biodiesel blend with diesel. We are getting lower emission value of unburned hydrocarbon and increase the brake power. This is the graph of brake power versus unburned hydrocarbon. In this graph, emission will be low for using used crude oil 5% than the other 15, 10 and base diesel. This is because of used crude oil 5% as complete combustion occurs than used crude oil another due to oxygen content in the used crude oil 5%. This is the graph of brake power versus carbon monoxide. In this graph, emission will be low for used crude oil 5% than the other 15, 10 and base diesel. This is because of used crude oil 5% as complete combustion due to the oxygen content than the 55%. This is the graph of brake power versus carbon monoxide. In this graph, emission will be low for used crude oil 15%, then another 5%, 10% base diesel. This is because of used crude oil 15% complete combustion occurs than other 3 due to the oxygen content. Diesel, biodiesel and additive blend. Adding 5, 10, 15 of diesel, biodiesel, diethyl ether, dimethyl sulfoxide with diesel. We getting lower emission of hydrocarbon and also we getting lower emission and carbon monoxide. This is the emission result of brake power versus unburned hydrocarbon. In this graph, emission will be low for 3 mixtures: used crude oil, dimethyl sulfoxide, diethyl ether 15% as emission will be low in 15%. Then another 3, 5, 10 and base diesel. This is because of complete combustion occurs due to the oxygen content. This is the graph of brake power versus carbon monoxide. In this graph, emission will be low for 15%, then the 5, 10 and base diesel due to complete combustion and due to oxygen content. This is the graph of brake power versus carbon dioxide. In this graph, emission will be low for 15% only, then the 5, 10 and base diesel. This is because of complete combustion due to the oxygen content. Emission result. At the result, we getting a slightly lower emission of hydrocarbon, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide by adding used crude oil and additives of diethyl ether, dimethyl sulfoxide with diesel. Conclusion: emission of the oxygenates has been decreased due to the oxygen content. Due to the oxygen content present in the fuel, the complete combustion occurs so that the emission like hydrocarbon, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide has been reduced due to the complete combustion. The performance of the engine has been increased by adding the both oxygenates and biodiesel. The only drawback is when complete combustion will occur, the NOx emission will be increased. Thank you.